We go to the next one. Okay, before we go to the next one, I would like to take this word. This word, Madinatun. Madinatun. So just now when we say Madinah, we translated the word Madinah as city. Okay, but the correct translation is not just city, it is a city. One city. A city is Madinah. Okay, so it is a city. It can be any city. A Madinah. Madinah, whether it is Kuala Lumpur or Jakarta or New Delhi or Tokyo, whatever, it is Madinah. So now, okay, how do you say this? You want to say the in Arabic. Just now, it is a city. So now you want to say that specific city, the city. What do you do? Okay, this is what we do in Arabic. If you want to say the, you will add these letters at the front of the word. You will add first, you add alif. Second, you will add lam. This is what we do. You add alif and lam. Alif and lam. We take another example. The next word, tin. This is referring to a fig fruit. Okay, a fig fruit. You want to say the fig fruit, the fig, again, you add alif and lam. You combine to the word, yeah? So now it becomes the fruit or the fig fruit. Another example, fakir just now. Fakir, a poor man. A poor man. You want to say the poor man. What do? Again, you add the alif and lam. Al. Okay. So this is how you say the in Arabic by adding alif and lam. Okay, that is number one. Number two, how do we read this alif lam now? How do we read? Anyone would like to try this? How do you say the Madinah, the city?
Al-Madinah.
Al-Madinah. Yes, correct, Jannah. So this is how you read the alif lam, yeah? First, all this alif, you have to read it with a fathah. So we say al. We don't say il. We don't say ul. Nobody will say il Madinah. Nobody will say ul Madinah. This alif lam is always a. Okay. So that is a. This is also a. This is also a. Okay. That is the first one. The first one about alif lam. Okay. Number two. Just now we heard the lam. Who read this just now? Jannah or Zohra? Jannah. Okay. Try again, Jannah.
Al-Madinah.
Al-Madinah. Good. So now you look at the letter lam, we put the sukun. You hear the sukun sound. Al. Al. Correct, right? Okay. That is the first sound of the alif lam. Okay. Now let us try this one. Who would like to read for me this one? Or who knows how to read this one?
At-Tin.
Atin, Masya Allah. So now do you hear Jannah read al? Is it al or no al? Not al.
Not al.
This time we don't say al. In the first example, you have to produce that lam sound, the al sound. But sometimes you don't read al. Sometimes what do? You skip this lam letter, you go to the next letter, which is in this case the ta. So what do? You skip that lam, you bypass that lam, and you put a shadda above that letter. So that is why we heard Jannah read just now. At-tin. 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 Not al-tin anymore. Okay. So yes, this is the second way of reading the alif lam. So there are actually only two ways how to read the alif lam. First with the sukun sound al, al, al. Second, you skip the lam sound. You produce the next sound. So it can be at, it can be as, it can be aj, it can be ad, depending on the next letter. All right. Okay. What about this one?
Al-Fakir.
Al-Faqir. Yes, this one is al with the lam sound. With the lam sound. Good. So, how do you know whether it is with the lam sound or do you have to skip the lam sound? How do you know that? So that brings us to this topic. Okay, that brings us to this topic. The topic is called alif lam. So this is alif lam. Yeah, we read the letters individually. Alif lam, alif lam. There are two types of alif lam. The first alif lam is called alif lam. So please add this alif lam to the word. And also here. Okay, add alif lam to both words. The first alif lam is called alif lam al-qamariyah. alif lam al-qamariyah. The second alif lam is called alif lam ash-shamsiyah. Ash-shamsiyah. Okay. So al-qamariyah and ash-shamsiyah. So what is alif lam al-qamariyah? Alif lam al-qamariyah. Do you see this, that shadda? Alif lam al-qamariyah is referring to those al sound where you hear the lam sound. So if you read the word with the al, so this is called the alif lam al-qamariyah. That's all. It is just a name. It is just a name given to this type of al. Yeah? Al, oh, that is qamariyah. But what about the other al? The other one that we do not hear the lam sound? It is called alif lam ash-shamsiyah. 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 So again, ash-shamsiyah or al-qamariyah, this is just names given to this to differentiate between these two alif lam. Al-qamariyah is the one that you hear the lam sound. Ash-shamsiyah is the one that you do not hear the lam sound. And the meaning of these two words, qamar and shams, qamar literally it means moon. And shams literally it means the sun. So it has nothing to do with the actual sun or moon. They just want to use the word. They want to say, oh, when they say it is moon, qamar, you read it with the alif lam al. When they use the word shams, they read it with the without mentioning the lam sound. So that's all. So it has no meaning here. Yeah. On the internet, you can see people use the term moon letters, sun letters to refer to these two type of alif lam. All right. So that is about the name. What is this al-qamariyah and shamsiyah? Okay. Now, how do you know whether you have to read with alif lam al-qamariyah or alif lam shamsiyah? They are actually a list of words. A list of letters. A list of letters for qamariyah and another list of letters for ash-shamsiyah. Whenever you have alif lam together with these letters, then you have to produce the correct sound. For examples, let's look at the alif lam al-qamariyah, the al sound. So when do you say this? Whenever you have these letters. Whenever you have these letters. Alif. So they alif, ba, jim, ha, kha, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, mim, ha, waw, ya. 14 letters. So whenever you have these letters and you add alif lam, you have to produce the al. For example, the letter alif. If you have alif lam before alif, then you will say al, whatever word. If you have ba, you put alif lam before the ba. Again, you have to say al-ba, al-ba. Jim, al-ja. So everything will start with al-ha. For example, we say alham. You don't skip the letter lam sound. You don't say aham. No. So until the end. Al-kha, al-a, al-gha, al-fa, al-qa, al-ka, al-ma, al-ha, and al-wa, and also finally al-ya. So these are all what we call as the huruf qamariyah, the letters of qamariyah, the moon letters. Okay, the moon letters. All right. And previously, if the teachers want you to memorize these letters, they will give you they will combine all these letters in this form. This is just to make memorization easier. They will just combine these letters into this form. Abri, hajjaka, wa khaf, aqimah. Abri, hajjaka, wa khaf, aqimah. So you just memorize this. Abri, hajjaka, wa khaf, aqimah. Abri, hajjaka, wa khaf, aqimah. So why do you memorize this? Because you want to memorize the letters. Oh, the letter alif, the letter ba, the letter jim, ha, jim, kaf, until the end. So these are all the 14 letters of the alif lam al-qamariyah. I do not ask you to memorize this, yeah? It is up to you. If you think you want to memorize, it is up to you. Okay, what is important is that you know how to produce the sound of alif lam. That is more important rather than memorizing. Yeah. So how do you know whether it is the lam sound? Okay, so this is a tips. How do you know whether it is with the lam sound or without the alif lam? You can try. You can try, read the word first with the lam sound, second without the lam sound. Which one is easier? Which one is more natural to you? Which one is more natural? Let us take an example. So these are all the examples of words that start with the Qamariyah letters. Okay, so let's look at the first word. This is the first word, baqi, baqi. And now you add alif lam. Okay, can anyone read this? What do you think? Is it with the lam sound or without the lam sound?
With the lam.
With the lam sound. Of course, it should be with the lam sound because this is all the alif lam, the Qamariyah letters, right? So how do we read this? Yes, Zuhura? Again?
Al-Baqi.
Correct, yes, al-baqi. Okay, so if you are not sure, you can try. First, read it with the sukun, al-baqi. Second, you skip the lam, you go to the next letter, ab-baqi. Which one is more natural to recite, to pronounce? Al-baqi or ab-baqi?
Al-Baqi.
Al-baqi is easy, right? So every time you read the lam and it sounds easy, it sounds natural, that is Qamariyah, that's all. So we say al-baqi, we don't say ab-baqi, we say al-baqi. This is the names of Allah. These are all the names of Allah, al-baqi, aziz, ghani, haq, and so on, right? So that the names of Allah. Okay, we try the second one. Okay, which one is more natural? Is it with the lam sound or without the lam sound? Okay. Yes, who would like to try this? Salima, try this, Salima.
Al-Aziz.
Al-Aziz, correct. Yeah, you say Al-Aziz. Nobody will say Aziz. You skip the lam, so it is difficult. Yes, so this is Al-Aziz. Okay, we try the next one. Ghani, the word is Ghani, rich. Okay, Aili, Ai. What do you think?
Al-Adni.
This is not is without this one. This is the Gha.
Al-Ghaniyu.
Yes, correct. Al-Ghaniyu, correct. Al-Ghaniyu, yes, this is the lam sound. Yeah, good. Al-Ghaniyu. Okay, good. Next word. This word is haqqa. Haqqa. Okay, Wasif, try Wasif. Again?
Al-Haqqa.
Al-Haqqu, good. Al, yes, correct. So this is the al sound, yeah? Al-Haqqu. Al-Haqqu, good. Okay, next word. Yes, Jannah. Jihun.
Al-Jabbar.
Correct. Al-Jabbar. Yes, good. Al-Jabbar. Okay, Dalili. Try this one.
Al-Khafidu.
Al-Khafidu. You have pronounced the long vowel at the wrong place.
Al-Khafidu.
Yes, that is correct. This is what we mean. Okay, make sure the long vowel. Where is the long vowel? Al-Khafidu, correct. But not Al-Khafidu, yeah? Okay, good. Al-Khafidu. So this is with the al lam sound, correct. Okay, next word. Yes, Zaid.
Al-Mutakabbiru.
Yes, correct. Al-Mutakabbiru. 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 Yes, so this is one attribute that only Allah can have this. Only Allah can have it, and for human being we cannot have it, which is to boast. To boast. Allah, he can boast because he is the creator, but we cannot boast, right? Because we are all the same. We do not have anything. Mutakabbir. Yes. You can refer to the translation, yeah, to find the meaning. Okay, next word. The last word. Sajad. Qudus. Yeah. Quddus, yeah. Dal, yeah. Okay. Al-Quddus, correct. So this is another lam with the what is that? Is Qamariya sound. Okay. Quddus. Okay. Yes. So these are the Qamariya sound. Qamariya letters, yeah. Okay. So just practice al-a, al-ba, al-ka. So you will be able to read it naturally, okay, without having to memorize these letters. Okay. Now we go to the second one. So this is now the opposite of the Qamariya, which is the Shamsiya letters. So Shamsiya letters. So Shamsiya letters are the rest. Okay, the other 14 letters. So these are all the Shamsiya sound. So huruf Shamsiya, the letters of Shamsiya is this. First is the letter Ta. So when you read the letter Ta, when you put alif lam, okay, what do you say? Alta or atta? Which one is which one sound more natural? Alta, atta,
Atta.
atta. Yes. For this letter, it is easier to say atta rather than alta. Alta, atta. Okay. So with that, you put a shaddah. So we say alta, yeah, atta. Yes, correct. The same goes to sa. You put alif lam. So we say alsa at asa.
Asa.
Asa, yeah, asa. So these are all the Shamsiya letters. So you say atta, asa, and for dal, you say ada. We don't say alda. We say ada. For the zal, we say azza. Not alza. No, azza. For ra, we say arra, arra, ar-Rahman. Bismillahirrahman. We don't say Bismillahirrahman. No. Zai, azza, the same thing. Azza, azza, azza. Sin, asa, the same thing. Asa, asa. We don't say alsa. Shin, we say asha. For example, a'udzu billahi minash shaitan. Ash-shaitan. You don't say al-shaitan. We say ash-shaitan. The next letter sad. We don't say al-sa, but we say as-sa. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad. As-samad. We don't say al-samad. No, yeah. Dot, the same thing. We don't say al-da. Very difficult. Ad-da, ad-da, ad-da. Ta, we don't say alta. We say atta, atta, atta. Za is the same thing. We don't say alza. We say azza, azza, azza. Okay. And the next letter lam. Lam is also the same. But how do you write the lam with alif lam? This is how you write. You just add another alif lam. So you are now having two lam. So how do you read this? It is al. But which one? Is it the first lam or the second lam? It is the second lam. Okay. So with that, we read it with Shamsiya. Even though both sound similar. Al, al. So because both letters are lam, that is why you hear it's like you are not differentiating between the two, Qamariya and Shamsiya. But for this one, we considered it as Shamsiya because you put a shadda. Allah, yeah? Allah. Wadduha wal-layli idha saja. Al-layli, that is the lam. And the last letter is the nun. So here we read anna. We don't say alna. We don't say alna. We say anna. Qul a'udzu bi rabbin nas. Annas. Annas. We don't say alnas. So these are all the Shamsiya alif lam. Shamsiya alif lam. Yeah. So again, practice. And finally, let us look at these examples. These are all the examples of Shamsiya words. Okay, for the first one, okay, the first one is not so appropriate. But this is, of course, everybody knows this word. What is this word?
Allah.
Yeah, okay, we don't say Allah.
Allahu.
Allah. So,
Allahu.
yes, if you say Allah, you need to, how do I say this in English? You need to say Allah. It is not la, Allah. So it is more sound. Yes. Not la. La is when you say Bismillah. Yes. Bismillah. But here Allah. Allah. Yeah. Okay. So this is the
মেয়ে বলতেছো
alif.
আমাকে তোমাকে ব্লক করতে ইনস্টাগ্রামে
All right. Okay. Now, so for this one, I cannot show you the word. Okay, here I can show you. This is the actual word, but now we add alif lam. So how do you read this word now? The word is zahir. Zahir. The word is zahir, but now you add alif lam. Yes, Ai, Li Ai. How do you say this?
الظاهر.
Good. Az-zahiru. Yes, correct. We don't say al-zahir, yeah? Al-zahir is not natural. Az-zahir. Yes, correct. Okay, next one. The word is sabur. Sabur. So this is sabur. Yes, Wasif. Try Wasif with the alif lam.
Az-zabur.
As-sabur. Yes, correct. We don't say al-sabur, yeah? Good. We say as-sabur. Yes, correct. As-sabur. Okay, next word. Salima.
Al-Rahmah.
Ar-rah.
Al-Rahmah.
Ar-Rahman. Okay. This part is correct. Ar-Rah. Good. This one is correct. But this part, we have to make a long sound. Okay. This is a special word. In the Quran, you will see this sign. The long sign. See, but for the normal writing, we don't have this in the computer. So that is why they just replace it with this symbol. It looks like a short vowel, but actually this is a long vowel. So you have to read this with a long sound. We say Ar-Rahman. Okay. So this is a this is a special word. Yeah. We don't write with the alif, but the sound is long. So there are a few words. Even though we have learned short vowels and long vowel, the symbols, but sometimes there are words that they do not write it with the long vowel, but when you read the word, you have to produce it with the long sound. I will let you know. I will tell you. Oh, these are the words. Okay, this is one of the examples. Ar-Rahman. Yeah. So I will say Ar-Rahman. Good. Okay, next word. Yes, Zuhura.
Yes, sir.
Try the word.
At-Tawabu.
At-tawabu, correct. At-tawabu, yeah. So you have to shadda, yeah. At-tawabu, yes. Good. At-tawabu. Okay, next word. Zaid.
An-nafi'u.
Good. An-nafi'u, yes, correct. An-nafi'u, right. Dalili.
Assalamu.
Assalamu, mashallah. Assalamu. Okay, good. Next word. Yes. Wasif.
Shakuru.
Ashakuru, mashallah. Good. Yes. And the last word. Yes. Salima. This is dor. Dor. So with alif lam. Salima. Okay, maybe Salima is having internet problem. Sajad. Sajad. Yes, the last word.
Ad-darru.
Okay. If you say ad-darru, we are not pronouncing this long sound. So this must be longer here.
Ad-darru.
Yes, that is better. Ad-darru. Ad-darru. So if this word is in the Quran, you have to produce a longer mad. So in the Quran, you will see this kind of sign. So this is referring to the longer mad. So you have to say ad-dar, and because of this, ad-darru, ad-dar, not just ad-darru, ad-darru, ad-darru. But of course, since this is not in the Quran, you don't have to produce that long voice, just a little bit longer. Darru, ad-darru. So now you know, oh, you have that arru, ad-darru, yeah. Okay, good. So these are the examples of alif lam ash-shamsiyah and alif lam al-qamariyah. So when we read our text in the next lesson, we are going to read some conversation, we are going to learn some vocabulary. You will see all this alif lam. So by then you should be able to pronounce, oh, this is the al sound, this is not the al sound. Okay, so that is about the alif lam. So And finally, this is just the exercises. These are some exercises related to alif lam, whether it is qamariyah or shamsiyah. Now, let us go through the kalima. So here the instruction says, at-tadribu al-awwal. At-tadrib means exercise. At-tadrib means exercise. At-tadrib. Al-awwal, first. Al-awwal is first. So, at-tadribul awwal, the first exercise. The first exercise. So, al here is the alif lam, yeah, the. Okay. So, the exercise says, da' alamata tik. Da' alamata sahih. Da' alamata sahih. So, da' means put. You put the sign of this symbol. Symbol of sahih, tick sign. Sahih is correct. Da' alamat sahih. So, you just tick. Where is the correct alif lam? Fil makanil munasib. Fi, in, makan, place, munasib, suitable, in the suitable place. So here they give you the word and then alif lam al-qamariyah and alif lam shamsiyah. So let us just read the word and please tell us whether it is qamariyah or shamsiyah. Kama fil misal, as in example, as in the example. So this is the example that they give you. They give you the kalima, the word, al-misal, the example. So this is the word. So how do we read this word? Is it al or not without the al sound? Not with the al sound. Yes, anyone? The word is abu. Zuhura?
Yes, sir. It's Abu because it sounds weird. Al Abu.
Okay. So is it al-abu or a-abu?
Abu, I think.
Abu, but what about the al part?
I think it's Abu. Al Abu, I'm not sure.
Okay. Then if you are not sure, you check again. What is the letter? What is the first letter of the word? You take out the alif lam. So what is the first letter of the word? It is the letter alif. We go back. If you are not sure, then you go back to the list of this alif lam. Do you see alif in the list of alif lam shamsiyah or alif in the list of alif lam qamariyah?
Alif Lam Shamsiyah.
Alif lam shamsiyah. Okay, let us check. Do you have alif here? No, we do not have alif. No. But if you look at alif lam qamariyah, yes, we have that alif. So how do you read the alif again?
Abu.
Abu, no. If you read abu, it is the shamsiyah sound.
Oh, I got confused.
So al-qamariyah is where you read the lam. Right?
Yes.
So you have to read the lam sound. So how do you read the word again?
Al-Abu.
Yes, that is how you read the word. Al-abu. Al-abu and abu. Al is more natural. Al-abu. Al-a. Al-a. Al-amin and so on. Okay, so this is the qamariyah. Yeah, this is the qamariyah lam. That is why they take it under alif lam al-qamariyah. Alright? So let us try number 2. Al-abu means the father. The father. In case you want to know the meaning. Okay, the next word. The next word is jaddu. Jad is grandfather. So now you add alif lam. Okay, yes. What do you think? Is it al-jaddu or al-jaddu? Wasif, what do you think? Is it al-jaddu? You read the lam sound or you read the jim sound? Al-jaddu.
Al-Jaddu.
Al-jaddu, yes, correct. Good. Al-jaddu. So this is qamariyah, shamsiyah. You read with the lam. Wasif, what is that? If you read with the lam sound, is it qamariyah or the shamsiyah?
Qamariyah.
Qamariyah, correct. So it is qamariyah, right? Alif lam al-qamariyah. Yes, correct. Good. Next word. Next word is the word sama. Sama. Sama means the sky or the heaven. Sama. Okay. Yes, read this. Ai. How do you read this word? Is it al Al-sama or as-sama? What do you think?
As-sama.
As-sama. Yes, correct. Yeah. Jannat read this. As-sama. So this is the Samsiyah. Next word. Okay, yes, I did not hear it from you just now. The word is shajara. The word is here. Shajara. Now you want to add the alif lam. Yes, Li Ai?
Al-shajaratu.
So you read with the al sound.
Al-shajaratu.
So this time you read with the shin sound. So which one? Which one do you think is more natural? Al-shajara or the second one? Ash-shajara. The first, the second. Al-shajara, ash-shajara.
The second.
The second. Yes, correct. The second. Yes. So we don't say al-shajara, ash-shajara. That is better. Ash-shajara. So ash-shajara, if you are still not sure, go back to the list and look at the letter shin. So shin is the shamsiyah sound. Shamsiyah letter. Yes. So we say ash-shajara. Good. Okay. The next word. Yes. Dalili. How do you read this word? Especially the alif lam.
Al-qalamu.
Al-qalamu, good. So yes, because qaf is the qamariyah letter. So we put ticket below the al-qam. And finally, this word. Al-qalam is the pen, yeah? Qalam is pen. Al-qalam is the pen. And finally, munafiq. I believe everybody knows what is munafiq, yeah? The hypocrites. Munafiq. Okay, last word. Who want to try this? Zaid, yes, Zaid.
Al-munafiqu.
Yes, correct. So this is the al, yeah? Good. Al-munafiq. So the al-munafiq. Okay. So this is about the alif lam, yeah? Alif lam al-qamariyah and alif lam shamsiyah.